Independence came at a terrible price: hungry soldiers, shattered towns, grieving families. Discover the true human cost of America's fight for freedom. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. The Revolutionary War didn't just fight Britain, it drained the colonies. Armies had to be fed, clothed, armed, and paid. With no power to tax, Congress printed paper money, the Continental dollar, flooding the economy and triggering massive inflation. Prices soared. Soldiers were paid in money that barely bought food. Not worth a Continental became a bitter joke. British blockades strangled commerce. Ports emptied. Merchants failed. Farmers struggled as markets disappeared. The war left crushing debt, owed to soldiers, farmers, foreign allies, and lenders. The new nation began already buried in obligation. Victory didn't bring relief. Taxes rose. Credit vanished. Veterans returned home poor, sparking unrest like Shays' Rebellion. Economic chaos exposed weakness. It pushed leaders to abandon the Articles of Confederation and build a stronger constitution. Independence was won on the battlefield, but paid for over decades. America's economy was forged through sacrifice, debt, and hard lessons.